Hey there, it's Scott Kellogg, and I'm here on Jerko, the Kiwanis water vacuum, and we're looking at a living machine system, which is a biological system that is treating the wastewater that is produced here aboard Jerko. Basically what's occurring is you have gray water that is going into these containers on the bottom, the one in the rear, where you have a settling tank where solids are being settled out and it's passing through a bed of gravel and going through an anaerobic phase where you have a certain set of microorganisms that are living on the surface area of the gravel, those rocks that are helping to break down the nutrient load in the water. It then moves on to another container here where you have a flow valve switch which kicks in when the water reaches a certain level and then pumps its water up into the top, where it begins to move through more of an aerobic phase through these various cells. You have the water passing through the root zones of these plants. Right here you have mare's tail, beautiful plant, and then it passes through a bed of cattail, then making its way over to an open water cell where you have two different plants here. You have water lettuce, and in these cells you have microorganisms attached to the roots the plants that are further polishing and cleaning the water, and the plants themselves are taking up excess nutrients. And you have an actively aerated cell right here where we're actually adding oxygen to the water, sort of giving it even more of a polish. And you have a plant called a water hyacinth there that's used commonly a lot in waste treatment systems. And then the water's finally ending up into a final cell here where the idea is that eventually this water be used for irrigation of plants. Notice there's our oyster shells in there that are used as a pH buffer. They're made up of calcium carbonate, and that helps to neutralize the water before it's finally discharged. And this is a beautiful example of a functioning small-scale living machine.
Jangan kau salah duga akan diriku.